Now guys and girls, yeah, bought this little piece of crap Giantz little cultivator, tiller, whatever you want to call it, off eBay, cheap ass, I don't know, 280 bucks or something. Not doing too bad a job, beats friggin' digging up. That's probably 40 minutes work there, still got a bit to go. Yeah, I'll see how, if it lasts. I mean, if it lasts me a couple of seasons for a couple $100, pretty good value, I reckon. Bit to work out because the instructions are nothing like what the machine is, as per normal on the Chinese products. But anyway, see how we go. Yeah, fucking piece of shit. Look at that. $40 minutes. Well, taking the winder off, the starter, that seems to be alright there. But these little things, these are like they're flopping around like a frog in a bucket. And they're getting caught. So, I don't know, I'm going to chuck some grease underneath them and see what happens then. So I've chucked some grease in there. Yeah, let's see what happens now. And put this thing back on. Yeah, easy start. Yeah, if it starts. Yeah, all good. See what happens. Put it back together again. Let's see how this works. If not, I'm just going to start it with a freaking drill to piss that shit off. No. There you go. It seems like it does the job. Well, gave the machine a bit of a clean, did its job. Just for those, this is how the eBay one comes together. That is supposed to be a brake, like when it gets down to stop the machine from going forward. To adjust this, there's a spring there. You pull this thing back that way, and then that comes up and lodges into the next notch there or there, which it took me a little bit to work out, but got it there. And that, it went alright. Not a bad little machine. Oh, you still got to play with it, but there you go, that's the job. Did in a couple of hours, including filling up. It took about, I don't know, 2.5 litres of fuel. So, and that's stopping and starting because, as you can see, it's been raining a fair bit. I'll probably have to go over it just a little bit once it dries up a bit, because everything was clagging up and really hard to work with, but pretty much did what I wanted to do. So we'll get on to this other bit. Oh yeah, heaps of potatoes that it pulled out from last season that we left in there, as you can see. So we'll go on to this bit here because I've got some strawberries and a few bits and pieces I want to plant in here. Alright, well, hopefully this is a bit of help for you out there. Yep, not for the dollars and how much work it takes away from digging by hand. Yeah, it's probably worth it. Cheers guys, girls.